Wait, before you throw away those paper bags, you might be wasting something incredibly useful. Today, I'm going to show you 5 smart and practical ways to reuse paper bags at home. These ideas are simple, budget-friendly, and honestly, they look surprisingly good. From custom gift envelopes to kitchen organizers, these hacks will help you recycle while making your home more organized. So grab those old paper bags and let's get started. First up, let's turn paper bags into beautiful DIY envelopes or money pouches. This works especially well with paper bags that have stylish prints or elegant colors. Start by cutting the bag open so you get one flat rectangle sheet. Now mark your measurements. Measure about 7 centimeters down from the top, then another 8.5 centimeters below that. Next, draw diagonal lines on both sides. Leave small tabs for gluing, then trim away the extra paper. Use a ruler to make clean folds. Fold the bottom section upward first, then fold the top section downward. Apply glue or double-sided tape along the side tabs to secure everything together. Finally, trim the top corners slightly to give it a cleaner look. And just like that, you've got a custom envelope, perfect for money gifts, greeting cards, or handwritten letters. No need to buy expensive envelopes anymore. Next is a stylish tissue holder that looks much nicer than plain plastic packaging. Cut off the top part of the paper bag just below the handles. Then fold the top edge inward to make it look cleaner and stronger. Insert a refill tissue pack inside the bag and pull the first tissue sheet upward. Now fold the top corners down on both sides. Secure them using bobby pins or clips. That's it. Now you have a reusable tissue dispenser that looks decorative and is super easy to refill. Perfect for your desk, kitchen, bedroom, or even your car. If you have larger paper bags, don't throw them away. You can turn them into a hanging wall organizer. First, remove one of the handles. Then, cut open the left and right sides of the bag, but don't cut the bottom section. Discard the loose side pieces, so only the main sheet remains. Now, fold the sheet upward into 3 layered sections. Make sure the bottom layer lines up evenly with the edge so the pockets stay balanced. Flatten the folds firmly. Then, staple the left and right sides together to create storage pockets. And now you have a super useful hanging organizer. You can store utility bills, notebooks, pens, scissors, chargers, or other small household items. Honestly, this is one of the easiest ways to reduce clutter without buying expensive organizers. If your plastic grocery bags are always a mess, this next trick is going to help a lot. Take a large, sturdy paper bag and cut a small hole at the very bottom. Don't make the hole too large, or all the bags may fall out at once. Now, crumple your plastic bags and stuff them into the paper bag from the top. Hang the paper bag on a kitchen door, pantry hook, or storage area. Now, you can pull plastic bags out one by one from the bottom whenever you need them. No more messy drawers or overflowing cabinets. Simple idea, but incredibly useful. Last idea. Let's organize your refrigerator using paper bags. Cut the paper bag along its folds to divide it into 2 equal sections. Remove the handles completely. Open the sections and tuck the top folds into each other to create stronger open-top bins. Now place them inside your refrigerator to separate fruits, vegetables, snacks, or even eggs. It instantly makes your fridge look cleaner and more organized. And honestly, it looks much better than stuffing everything into random plastic bags. So, which of these paper bag recycling ideas was your favorite? These simple DIY projects are practical, budget-friendly, and a great way to reduce waste at home. If you found this video helpful, share it with your friends and family so they can try these ideas too. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Easy Genius DIY, for more smart home hacks and creative DIY ideas. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.